Hello everyone. Today, I'll be walking you through the steps involved in turning this photo of the Mediterranean countryside into beautiful digital art. The first thing to do is to make a mental note of what you like about the photo, and what needs changing. In terms of overall composition, the small blurry tower is overpowered by the flower bush. And in terms of color, I don't like the bare field in the middle. You can see my solution to these problems in the second slide. I've replaced the tower, changed the color of the dirt field, and increased the overall vibrancy of the whole photograph. To replace the tower, I took another photograph of the scene from the same spot, but slightly zoomed in. Then I overlaid the two photographs, and used a mask to let only the new tower peek through. I use Paint Shop Pro, but you can do this with a number of similar programs. As for the field, I used Paint Shop Pro to change the brown color to a more appealing green. Then I increased the overall color vibrancy. The next step is to do something with the boring empty sky. To create this next slide, I replaced the empty blue with a dramatic hilly cloudscape from a nearby location. You can do this with masking in Paint Shop Pro, but getting the edges just right can be a challenge. A better solution is to use a program such as Luminar 4, which has a built-in replace sky function. Now that the composition and colors are settled, the fun begins. We can change the look of the photo dramatically, by adding digital filters using specialized painting programs such as Virtual Painter. The next slides illustrate some of the possibilities. Here's an abstract cubist effect. Here's a simulated watercolor. This one reminds me of stained glass. This one is an interesting bleached out effect. And this one uses what is called a smudge filter. I spent some time layering different versions of the photograph, and combining the layers in different ways. And here is the result I liked the best. I stopped here because I like the mixture of bold satisfying lines, and the rich deep coloration. I hope you found this video useful and informative. Please comment and subscribe if you did. And be sure to check out the other videos in my channel. Happy creating!